What do I know about this person? This person wants the best price. Person doesn't necessarily want a relationship, although I can build a relationship around price or savings. Today, I could pick up somebody and hopefully change that value. So yeah, you got me. I cleaned your carpet for 50 bucks. You got me. I also probably spent 50 bucks on that lead. But what do I need to do? I need to try to increase the ticket, increase the cost of my services, increase the ticket, and of course reduced cost doesn't apply here. But that's not only it. I've got LTV, lifetime value. My hope is that I get them, I keep them, they tell others, and now all of a sudden I spent 50 for you. Maybe I broke even in that first time, hopefully not. But now over a year, over 2, over 3 years, I spent $50. And now every 6 months you spend $50 with me. So that's 200. And I know you're going to use me for the next 5 years. So that's 100, 50 and 50, 100 times 5 years. That's 500. So that's 50 divided by 50. Now we're talking. Now we're talking.